This reminds me of Lunchables. The flowers are nice. It had to be done. Let's just chill for a second, right? Wi-Fi is easy to connect to. Let's go to the hammock. Why am I choking? What the fuck? Yes! Oh my god, yes. I need to get me one of these. I say hammock all day, every day. Hammocks are great. They're secure. They're just awesome. Listen to the cicadas. There they go. The summer of love for someone, at least. I don't know if you can hear this. There's a squeak every time this goes back and forth. So if you're trying to zen out, the squeakiness might make you laugh. Oh, yeah. So I'm still there. It's finally going below 90 degrees. It's been mid-90s all day. Being around this property even, sweating. But the weather right now is pretty good. It's alright. Probably like 88 degrees right now. But yeah, the sun is right there. I'll be able to take a view as the sun sets from right over there on the hot tub. It's gonna be great. It's like I have one of these naturally. I don't, but I guess I'm just that good. I responsibly left my glasses here. You see that butterfly? No, it's way back there. That butterfly has been here since the beginning. This is a light little butterfly. Okay, I wanted to show this because I'm pretty proud. I think I've gotten better. Look at it. Beauteous. It's in that tent shape like she mentioned before. Put the kindling. And I think this is the best fire that I've had since I've been feeding the flame. Ah, yeah. They have a horseshoe game. And the trail continues. Okay, that's just weird. A rustic bench. And the trail continues on. Yeah, I made the good decision of doing the trail before doing the hot tub and then the showering because I stepped smack into a ginormous spider web with like a yellow spider, and I'm pretty sure that spider is on me or something. Oh, the great outdoors. You forget how much the bugs assault you, because I swear, there's like 5 flies that were just buzzing around my head, and I'm like, okay, I get it, flies, now back off. Yeah, it's only when you're back in nature do you remember the things that are not that great. Other than that, bugs have cleared, the sun is setting, the view's pretty nice. Now I know why there's like a kajillion bugs. There's a swamp. I don't know if you can see this, but this is a ginormous spider web. I'm pretty sure I walked into something similar and there's another huge yellow spider. Yeah, you can't see it at all. And the trail circles back. Honestly, I gotta say, that's the shortest trail I've ever walked in my entire life. Let's go down the bench route, which is what I didn't do. Oh. Yeah, it just circles back. This is like a winding circular trail. Figure 8, almost. I'm not going back towards that swamp. Alright, I ended up going by the swamp. Yep. And we're back. Pretty sure a bug bit me right on my forehead. It's itching as hell over there. Yeah, the bug bit me right smack in the forehead. But lilies, am I right? It's at 100 right now. Hit pump 1, hit pump 2, and I hit lights, but I don't think that did anything. Fuck off. Bugs have already bitten me. It's the worst. Nice! And the lights are on here. I don't think you'll see it until night. Okay, I'm freaking happy now. Oh my god. Yes, queen! Yes! The sun is right in front of me. Oh, there's a seat right here. Oh. You sit like this. The sun is right in front of me. Yes. It's honestly perfect after the shit I went through. The sun is setting. The sun has officially set down from the horizon. That was honestly beautiful. Majestic. Now that it's dark, you can officially see the color changes. I just found out about the pump functions. Look how frothy it is. Goodbye, hot tub. For sugar-free, this is good. Honestly, these sugar-free marshmallows They still have sugar, like very, very, very slight, and it's less overwhelming than I'd say regular marshmallows. So recommend sugar-free.